Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you excited to learn Hindi alphabets? Then this video is for you. Varnamala represents letters. In Hindi, we have total 52 letters, out of which 13 letters are called as vowels, that is swar, and remaining 39 letters are called as consonants, that is vyanjan. Come on, let's start. A, I, E, U, Ru or Re, E, I, O, Au, Aha. Now let's see how to write them. Here comes a. E, E, U, Ru or Re, E, I, O, Au, Friends, hope you all got to know about the vowels in Hindi. But practice these letters for at least 4 to 5 times. And please do watch my next video to learn consonants, that is vyanjan.